Good day, everyone. In this chapter, we are going to talk about how culture define our moral behavior. To start our topic, thus inculturation, and acculturation. Seems familiar to you and how cultures define moral behavior, how culture shape the moral agent. To answer that, let's articulate what's culture, inculturation, inculturation, and acculturation mean. What is culture? When we say culture, it is an integrated pattern of a human knowledge, beliefs, and behavior. This consists of ideas, costume, tools, institution, techniques, work of arts, rituals, and other capacities and habits of a person as a member of society. On the other hand, sociologists categorize culture into non-material and material culture. Non-material culture, it it consists of language, values, rules, knowledge, and meaning shared by a member of society. While material culture is the physical object that society produce, like tools, streets, homes, and toys. Next, we have the inculturation. The inculturation is a process of learning from infancy till death. For instance, you are born, so nothing but because you are born in this culture. In this rich influence, you shape your moral life, and that because you are exposed to this culture, and those who are born in this culture educate through the culture and that inculturation. Next is inculturation, refers to the missiological process in which the gospel is rooted in a particular culture in the latter and transformed by its introduction the Christianity. For example, a group of Christians engage you to their Christian gospel and also to their culture when you are starting to participate and become one of them, and that means incul- inculturation. In other words, inculturation has two ways of process. It root the gospel and the culture and introduce the transform culture in Christianity. And the last one is called acculturation. The acculturation is another big term. It is a cultural modification of an individual group of people by adapting to or borrowing traits from another culture. For example, when you are going to another country, or let me say in Korea, you will notice that there is a different culture, and because you migrate in their country, you will adapt their culture and what language they speak, wear clothes, the way they wear, eat a food, the way they eat. So means acculturation explained as emerging culture is a result of prolonged contact. How culture shape the moral agent. Culture reflect the moral and ethical beliefs and standards that speak to how people should behave and interact with others people.